Music subject. Music is an important subject in school. It brings joy and happiness to our lives. Many people love music. It is a way to express feelings and emotions. In my school, we have music class every week. I enjoy learning about music and its different forms. In music class, we learn about many things. We study different types of music. There is classical music, pop music, rock music, and jazz. Each type has its unique style and sound. I love listening to all kinds of music. Classical music is beautiful and relaxing. Pop music is fun and lively. Rock music makes me want to dance. Jazz is smooth and full of rhythm. Learning about different genres helps me appreciate music more. One important part of music is learning to play instruments. In class, we can play various instruments. Some of the instruments we have are the piano, guitar, drums, and flute. I love playing the piano. It has a lovely sound. My teacher teaches us how to read music notes. Music notes are symbols that represent sounds. Learning to read music is exciting. It allows us to play our favorite songs. Playing in a band is another fun activity. In my school, we have a school band. Many students join to play together. Playing in a band teaches us teamwork. We learn to listen to each other and work as a group. It is amazing to create music together. Sometimes we perform at school events. These performances are a lot of fun. I feel proud to be part of the band. Singing is also a big part of music class. We learn to sing different songs. My teacher teaches us about vocal techniques. We practice our breathing and how to project our voices. Singing in a group is wonderful. We can harmonize and create beautiful melodies together. I enjoy learning new songs and performing them. It makes me feel happy and confident. Another interesting aspect of music is music theory. Music theory helps us understand how music works. We learn about rhythm, melody, and harmony. Rhythm is the beat of the music. It tells us how fast or slow to play. Melody is the main tune of a song. Harmony adds depth to the music. Understanding these concepts helps us become better musicians. We also study famous musicians and composers in music class. Learning about their lives and works inspires us. For example, we learn about Beethoven, Mozart, and Bach. These composers created amazing music that still touches hearts today. We listen to their pieces and discuss their styles. Understanding their contributions helps us appreciate music history. Music has many benefits. It can reduce stress and make us feel better. When I listen to music, I feel relaxed and happy. It helps me forget my worries. Music can also motivate us. Upbeat songs can make us want to dance and have fun. In difficult times, music can be a source of comfort. It connects us to our emotions and helps us express ourselves. I also enjoy exploring music from different cultures. Every culture has its unique music styles and instruments. For example, Indian classical music is rich and complex. African drumming is energetic and rhythmic. Latin music is lively and passionate. Learning about these styles helps me understand the diversity of music. It shows how music is a universal language. In addition to class activities, We often have music projects. These projects allow us to be creative. Sometimes we create our own songs or compositions. I love writing lyrics and melodies. It feels rewarding to create something original. My teacher encourages us to experiment with sounds and instruments. This freedom allows us to express our ideas through music. Music also plays a big role in our lives outside of school. I listen to music every day. It accompanies me during different activities. I play music while I study, cook, or relax. It sets the mood and helps me focus. Music is a part of my routine. I enjoy discovering new artists and songs. There are so many genres to explore. I also attend concerts and musical events. Live music is an amazing experience. It brings people together to enjoy the performance. I love watching musicians play and sing. The energy in the crowd is incredible. I often feel inspired after attending a concert. It motivates me to practice more and improve my skills. Learning music is a lifelong journey. It is a skill that can always be improved. I want to continue studying music and playing instruments. I hope to learn more about composition and music production in the future. Music can be a career for many people. Some become musicians, composers, or music teachers. I admire those who dedicate their lives to music. In conclusion, music is a wonderful subject. It enriches our lives and allows us to express ourselves. I enjoy learning about different genres, instruments, and techniques. Music brings joy to my life and helps me connect with others. I am grateful for the opportunity to study music in school. I look forward to continuing my musical journey and discovering more about this beautiful art form.